Happy New Year, everyone. This is a 1956 Buick Century Riviera 4-door hardtop. And it's decorated for the holidays here, as you can see. That's why I chose it. And there you see in the emblem there in the grille, it tells you what it is. Buick Century. All the engines this year were 322 cubic inches. And the Century and Super and Roadmaster had 255 horsepower. Very nice under the hood here. And you're going to see a surprise, I think, as we go along in this video. Now, here is the TriTone color combination. This is very popular in 55 through 57 Buicks, just as it was in 55 and 56 Dodges. Nice color combination here in the interior. Roof bows here. This is a deluxe car. Now they covered the steering wheel, which is kind of a shame. But I suspect it fell victim to most steering wheels of the time, and that is that the material had a tendency to crack over time. But who knows? It's got the covering, so we won't know. There were many TriTone color combinations, two-tone green and white, and two-tone blue and white, I think, were probably the most common. Carthage, Missouri. It's nice to see those things. Of course, at the time, you dreaded it because they drilled holes to put those identification tags there, let you know what dealer sold the car. And there you see on the top of the dash, you got a very brief hint of a vent on top of the dash, and lo and behold, there's a compressor for the air conditioning. So this has original air. Can you believe it? 56. And the evaporator is
oh yeah, here are the vents up here.
Not in the trunk. I do not believe. It is, you see the vents here on top. There it is, on top of the dash. So this baby has air conditioning. Very expensive.